Hey, this is Super Science Box number 5 with insects, and I put the cicadas. Little cicadas are in the box. These are from Nelson, New Zealand. I got these in Nelson around January. They're going crazy. We plucked them all. Hopefully they arrived not too broken up. And you get these little magnifying glasses. So you can kids keep these. Or you can have a class set of them and keep them around. But this one's all about observations and doing the drawings. This is really kind of a really... kids get into it. It's a little tricky to get it right, but you can practice. And it's looking very carefully with the magnifying glass. And you can model this at all the little bits and pieces, all the little stripes, and it's got little hairs, and it's got little things in there. Little claws. And there's a picture on the front, and there's a picture on the back. So it's all, what I like to do is, looking at insects, is all you really need is 3 body parts. So you're looking at the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Alright, and it's there. And it's really good to also make so they know the difference between a spider and an insect, which is spiders 2 body parts and 8 legs, insects 3 body parts, 6 legs. A lot of kids will kind of know it or have an idea of how it works, but it's really good so they can practice looking very carefully and taking their time and doing a really nice observational drawing. Also, with putting in the names, even the names, an eye with a little arrow, or a leg, or a claw, allowing them to write the words. You could give them the words, and then they can write them. I like to do Play-Doh also. There's a really good Play-Doh recipe where you're just using flour. It's no-cook Play-Doh. I'll show you how to do that. When you put the Play-Doh together, and salt, cream of tartar, oil, and mush it all up. Fun to make. Kids can make it. Fun for you to make. Make a little bit beforehand. A lot you can do with making the models of insects. Really fun. Gives googly eyes. I use, it's really easy just to snap the toothpicks, or you can use the bendy kind of pipe cleaners you get at the $2 shop. And then they can take that home the next day when it's dry. You also get, it's really good for living world stuff, nature of science, communicating in science. So you're communicating with drawing exactly what you see. And I like to get the kids to bring a bug. I give them a container that they can take home, or they can find a container and bring back. So one day you say, okay, bring a bug in tomorrow. Either a bug or a spider, and you can talk about how to capture them and how to be nice to little creatures, and they bring them all in. It's really exciting the next morning when everybody's got little bugs and they're comparing them with each other. And you can also bring these out. You can use the cicadas, or you can use these to examine them while they're in their containers, and then do drawing. Also, you could draw yours, and then maybe with a partner draw theirs and swap them around and do all different kinds of drawings. You do big ones and little ones, and then you can make them with Play-Doh. It's great. So there's also gathering and interpreting data. So it's a science capabilities on TKI. We do math, so sorting activity. So with insects, so either an insect or a spider, counting legs, counting body parts. It's good. And it's in the writing. So it's write in order to think about, record, and communicate experiences, information. Draw diagrams with labels, and it's really fun. I hope you enjoy it. And feedback is great. Give us feedback, either written on an email or send some photos of the kids doing it. Thanks. Bye.